Ever wondered which is better, long-term or short-term performance? Well, you're not alone. This question has left many an investor scratching their head, pondering over the best strategy to maximize returns. And why wouldn't it? It's the eternal investment conundrum, the question that keeps the financial wheels turning, sparking debates on Wall Street and beyond. Let's face it, investment strategies are as diverse as the investors themselves. Some swear by the slow and steady pace of the tortoise, advocating for the long-term approach. They'll tell you it's all about patience, about waiting for the right moment, about letting the power of compounding work its magic. And then, there are those who live for the thrill of the hare's race, the adrenaline rush of short-term gains. They'll argue that it's about seizing the moment, about quick decision-making, about riding the wave while it lasts. To illustrate these divergent paths, let's introduce two investment options that perfectly embody these strategies: SCHD and JEPQ. SCHD, or the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, is a champion of the long-term approach. It's all about stable, reliable dividends, about building wealth over time. On the other hand, we have JEPQ, the Jefferies Equity Premium Overwrite ETF. JEPQ is the embodiment of the short-term strategy, focusing on generating income through a combination of capital appreciation and option premium income. Both SCHD and JEPQ offer compelling cases for their respective strategies. They're like two sides of the same coin, each with its unique allure. But which one is better? Which strategy should you, as an investor, choose? Is it better to be the patient tortoise waiting for the dividends to roll in, or the quick-footed hare capitalizing on short-term gains? These are not simple questions. But fear not, for in this video, we're going to delve into the world of SCHD and JEPQ, offering surprising facts and insights. We'll explore the strengths and weaknesses of both, the risks and rewards, the highs and the lows. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey into the realm of long-term and short-term investment performance. In this video, we will delve into the world of SCHD and JEPQ, offering surprising facts and insights. Hello viewers! If you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe. Firstly, let's take a peek into SCHD, a dividend ETF known for its long-term performance. SCHD, or the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, is an exchange-traded fund that focuses on high dividend-yielding U.S. stocks. It's one of the most popular ETFs in the market, and for good reason. Over the years, SCHD has consistently proven itself to be a formidable player in the long-term investment game. Now let's talk about why SCHD is considered such a strong long-term investment. The answer lies in its strategy. SCHD follows a strategic approach that targets companies with a record of consistently paying dividends. This strategy is based on the premise that companies that regularly pay dividends are typically well-established and financially stable. Over time, these dividends can compound, leading to significant growth. But it's not just about the dividends. SCHD also offers a diverse portfolio. It includes companies from various sectors, from healthcare to technology, consumer goods to energy. This diversity helps to mitigate risk, providing a safety net during economic downturns. Now let's dive into some surprising facts about SCHD. Did you know that since its inception in 2011, SCHD has outperformed the S&P 500? Yes, you heard that right. Despite being a dividend-focused ETF, SCHD has managed to beat the broader market in terms of total returns. This is a testament to the power of dividend investing and the robust strategy that SCHD employs. Another thing to note about SCHD is its low expense ratio. With an expense ratio of just 0.06%, SCHD is one of the most cost-effective ways to invest in a diversified portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying stocks. This low cost further enhances the fund's appeal to long-term investors. So, what's the takeaway here? SCHD offers a combination of consistent performance, strategic focus on dividends, portfolio diversity, and low costs. These factors make it a compelling option for those looking to invest for the long haul. It's clear that SCHD offers some compelling advantages for the long-term investor. But what about those who prefer short-term gains? Enter JEPQ. JEPQ, or the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, is a darling among short-term investors. It's designed to provide investors with broad exposure to U.S. equities, while also generating income through selling options. Now, isn't that a clever way to make your money work for you? JEPQ's performance history is nothing short of impressive. Since its inception, it's been able to deliver consistent returns, even amidst market volatility. This ability to weather economic storms and still come out on top is part of what makes JEPQ such an appealing choice for those looking for quick yet reliable returns. But there's more to JEPQ than just its stellar performance. It's also known for its innovative investment approach. Instead of simply tracking an index, JEPQ uses a sophisticated options strategy to generate income. This strategy involves selling call options on the S&P 500 index, which allows the fund to earn premium income. This income is then passed on to investors in the form of dividends, providing them with a steady stream of cash flow. Now here's a surprising fact about JEPQ. Despite being a short-term investment vehicle, it's also designed with long-term financial goals in mind. You see, while JEPQ provides quick returns, it also aims to reduce risk over time. This is achieved through its dynamic hedging strategy, which adjusts the fund's exposure to the market based on volatility. So not only does JEPQ offer the thrill of short-term gains, but it also provides a sense of security that is often missing in short-term investments. So if you're someone who likes to see quick returns on your investments, JEPQ might just be the ticket. With its innovative approach to investing, impressive performance history, and focus on risk reduction, it's no wonder that JEPQ is a popular choice among short-term investors. JEPQ is certainly a force to be reckoned with in the short-term investment landscape. Now that we've looked at both SCHD and JEPQ, it's time for a face-off. When we examine SCHD and JEPQ side by side, we see a compelling story of two investment strategies, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, is the long-term investment powerhouse. Its focus on high dividend-yielding U.S. stocks makes it a steady performer, offering investors a consistent income stream over time. Its portfolio is comprised of high-quality companies that have a history of paying dividends, making it a relatively safe and stable choice for those who prefer a long-term investment strategy. On the other hand, we have JEPQ, the Jefferies Equity Premium Income ETF. This is the short-term investment dynamo. It aims to provide investors with a monthly income by selling covered call options on its equity holdings. This strategy can offer a higher return potential in the short term, especially in a flat or slightly rising market. However, it also comes with its own set of risks, as the income generated can fluctuate depending on market volatility. So what factors might influence an investor's choice between these two? Well, it largely depends on their individual investment goals and risk tolerance. If an investor is seeking a steady income stream and is comfortable with a longer-term strategy, SCHD might be the better choice. However, if they are looking for a higher income potential in the short term and are comfortable with taking on a bit more risk, JEPQ might be a more suitable option. Another factor to consider is the market condition. In a booming market, JEPQ's strategy of selling covered calls could limit the upside potential. Meanwhile, in a bearish market, SCHD's focus on dividend-paying stocks could provide a cushion against market downturns. As we can see, both SCHD and JEPQ have their unique attractions. It's all about finding the right balance that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and market outlook. And remember, no matter which you choose, investment is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So, which is better, long-term or short-term performance? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? As we've seen, both SCHD and JEPQ have their unique strengths and potential pitfalls. Let's summarize what we've discussed so far. On one hand, we have SCHD, the long-term investment powerhouse. This exchange-traded fund has shown steady growth over the years, making it an attractive option for those who prefer a slow and steady approach to wealth accumulation. It's also a great choice for risk-averse investors, as it's less likely to be affected by short-term market volatility. Then we have JEPQ, the short-term investment dynamo. This fund is known for its potential to deliver significant returns in a relatively short period of time. However, with the potential for high returns comes a higher level of risk. This makes JEPQ a better fit for investors who are willing to take on more risk for the chance of rapid growth. Now, to answer the question of which is better, we need to consider a few factors. First and foremost, what are your financial goals? Are you aiming for long-term wealth accumulation, or are you looking to make a quick profit? Your answer to this question will play a major role in determining which investment strategy is best for you. Next, consider your risk tolerance. Can you stomach the possibility of losing a significant portion of your investment in the short term, or would you prefer a more stable, predictable growth pattern? Lastly, think about your investment horizon. How long can you afford to leave your money in the market? If you're planning to retire in the next few years, a long-term investment like SCHD may be more appropriate. However, if you're young and have decades ahead of you, a short-term investment like JEPQ could potentially yield higher returns. Remember, the best investment strategy is one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.